Hello guys! I'm Kayla.
And I am Jace.
And we are the Jeskis! And now we're playing Shawarma Kiosk, and now I'm kinda lagging, but it's okay.
Yeah. So I'm now talking, but the man is kind of weird.
Yeah, so I'm gonna check your camera. Wait.
Are she okay?
Yes. He's okay. I
Okay.
think. Okay. Serve him. Wait. Wait. I'm gonna make sure.
Okay.
Wait. What? I'm so lagging. Oh my. Okay. Now checking. Oh. Okay. She is puppy.
So just wait, okay? Is she
Okay.
okay?
Wait. Yes. She okay.
Okay.
She okay.
Okay.
She's safe. She's safe. Okay.
Hey, can you refill the meat?
No, you repeal it.
Okay. What you?
Oh, thank you. Okay. Oh my gosh, you're doing a good job. Okay, stay right there. Enjoy. Okay. Sorry guys, we're kinda late videoing, but it's okay. And now we're just grabbing. Stop it. Put this door. Close this. Okay now. We're just waiting for customers. And guys, we know the instructions.
So guys,
okay.
can you subscribe because this is our first vlog.
Oh, okay. Once 150. Oh, okay, coming right up. That's 150. Oh, okay. Let's check the camera. Check the camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna check.
Check the camera.
So,
She's okay. She's
It's
okay.
so we're gonna
Ooh,
check.
there's a book. What is this? I know what this.
I think he is the new.
Guys, I forgot to say. There's a clown, and the clown had a knife. Like,
Yeah,
the
the
heck?
Korean.
Yes,
We are super scary.
yes, and the owner said close the window, and like, bro, we closed the window, but
Yeah, but
the window is glitching. Like, what the
man.
heck?
It
But
said it's super quick.
let's call 911. Oh my gosh. Yes, let's call 911.
Yeah, you call 911.
I call 911.
Go to the 911.
911. Okay,
Go to 911.
Okay.
If someone body
yes.
just call.
I think I'm lagging.
Yeah, you are lagging, man.
James, what you doing?
And just check the cameras.
Okay. Okay. To Shoma.
Oh, hello, man.
Let's
Hello.
check that.
I think she is okay. Yeah, she okay.
Yes. Okay.
But she on the book.
Wait.
I think
Wait,
she's
he's on the book.
I think she anomalies.
Okay,
Anomaly.
wait. Let us see. Wait. I'm gonna make her shawarma first. Is she a totally anomaly?
What? I'm just by our stuffs.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave you there.
Are we
Oh my gosh, she's shy.
close the window or not?
Make her shawarma.
Okay, let's make. So
You put the ingredients.
Okay.
now. Put the ingredients.
Okay, just calm down. What?
Wait.
Where are you gonna close?
I'm not sure. Sorry. Let's see. Oh.
Let's see.
Um.
If that's gonna up, you It's your man. It's your super bad.
And guys, we are.
So you're super bad. It's wrong.
Oh,
It's an
sorry.
anomaly.
And now, guys.
So guys, we're just vlogging.
Yes. So I am.
Just wait.
Just wait,
Just
guys.
wait, guys.
Okay, just wait. Oh my. I'm lagging. For sure.
Me too. But our package in there.
Oh, the package is here.
The box.
Okay. Actually, I'm gonna go grab that.
Okay. I'm gonna grab the small one.
Okay. And grabbing the box and take it. Okay. Oh, camera, so cool. I'm gonna leave you there, Jace.
Okay.
Oh.
Whoa. Yo.
I'll close it.
Yo, what the hell, man? Open the door.
Why?
Open the door, please.
Why?
Kayla, please.
Why?
Please, there's a...
What the hell is that? That's what's scary.
please, Kayla, help me, please. Please. I'm super scared.
Yeah, that's okay. Open the window.
Oh.
And
Jump
the
scares.
chicken guy has come. And like, what the? Let's check the camera. She looks normal. But I think she's normal or no? She's normal.
I think she's normal. So I'm just buying a new camera and decor. I'm gonna buy a camera only because I got scam because I don't know where my camera is.
Oh, I take it.
What?
I took it. Sorry,
But it's okay. Gonna buy another one.
Okay. Just call the 511.
Yeah, I know. And the number is the 55145.
Oh, what's the number? I thought it,
Yeah, I recognize it. It's super
Oh.
easy.
I thought it was 511
No.
and 451.
It's super funny. But it's
Ah,
actually
you put the ingredients and now
5551445.
put the ingredients now.
Okay. Just calm down, man. Just calm down, bro.
So okay, guys, we are I'm Kila and
I'm Jace.
we are the Jeskies. So we combine my name and
Oh, it's my other
Interrupt me.
Yay. Ma, can you come?
No,
Because
take
it's
it.
super scary. Because
No.
the old one gonna go.
Go by
Please.
yourself.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
No. You live there.
Please.
Let's go.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah,
Kayla.
psych.
No.
Psych.
No.
Wait,
Don't leave me.
The
Okay, she lagging.
Yeah, I'm lagging. Yes, I'm gonna close the door for you.
Just wait me. Okay,
Yes.
okay, just go.
Oh, Hannah, close the window.
Okay.
Hannah. Let's serve this. Psych.
That is the wrong number.
Okay, now. So your camera is nice.
Yeah, thank you. But just
Wait.
go to camera.
Wait.
What?
Where's your hair? Oh,
What?
Whoa. Going back to Honolulu just to get the Maui.
The one barrel.
Yes.
But I gonna recording it is from the
Yes.
proof.
The proofing. Okay. Can you move? Yes. Okay. Yes. You.
Open
The
the
lights
window.
are
Open the window.
for the decades.
Okay, the men again, the red people again. What are we gonna close
That's
it or not?
normal. Okay. I have a story, and I'm still thinking about the clown.
Oh
It's
yeah.
scary.
Oh yeah. It's scary. Have a knife with that going our window, but the window is not open and
And
closed.
have a
not
balloon.
closing.
Yes, closing
Scary,
but
man.
closing but not closing. Do you know that, guys? Oh my gosh, I just forgot the Coca-Cola. Oh my gosh.
I am logging again. Okay, it's okay now.
We're the same lagging. Oh, I think it's the same Wi-Fi, bro. Bro.
But I'm just
broskies.
calling others numbers for experiment.
Oh my gosh. You
What?
see that? I going back to Honolulu.
What?
I think I'm lagging.
Wait, I'm just wait. I'm lagging. I cannot
I'm
move.
lagging.
I cannot
I'm lagging.
move.
I'm lagging, guys. Oh my
Cannot
gosh.
move.
Is he supposed to scare us or no?
I don't know.
Oh,
no.
we got fire.
Oh, yeah.
Now, bye, guys.
So, bye bye. Subscribe.